What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be improving the performance of our climate control system by doing a commonly overlooked maintenance procedure, and that is changing the cabin air filter on our 5th gen 4Runner. Alright, so it is recommended that you change the cabin air filter on your 5th gen 4Runner every 10,000 miles if you're doing a lot of off-roading or driving in dusty conditions, and every 20 to 30,000 miles if you're driving just mostly around town and that sort of thing. I haven't changed mine in over 30,000 miles, and I have noticed a decrease in the amount of airflow that the climate control is providing when I'm in the vehicle. This means I have to turn it up to almost max to get the flow that I want. Another reason why you might want to change the cabin air filter is to get rid of kind of gross smells or, pollen. If you don't change it very often, or if you don't change it when you're supposed to, the impeded flow can cause dirt and debris to sit there. Moisture will get to it. Bacteria will start to actually grow inside the climate control system. So it's definitely something you don't really want to overlook. It's really for more your own health than the health of the vehicle, but definitely a good thing to change. So let's jump into changing it. It'll take like 2 minutes, and I'm going to be using this filter here that I got off of Amazon. It's this Fram filter. If you buy the Toyota one, I think you'll spend about double the price. This one I got off Amazon was like less than $20, and it does have a carbon, activated carbon in it. There is some Arm & Hammer odor eliminator, and some pretty good protection from allergens, pollution, dirt and dust and that sort of thing. But yeah, let's jump into it and let's get this into the 5th gen 4Runner.
All right, so the first step is to come into the vehicle. You're gonna wanna empty out your glove compartment and open it up. In the back there'll be a small black door. There'll be 2 tabs on the top that you'll push down and then just pull the door out. After that, there is a white cover you'll need to undo, 2 fingers on each side, pop them in and it will just pop right out. After that, you can remove the air filter. This one was pretty dirty. As you can see, there is a lot of debris in it, leaves, bugs, feathers, and just a lot of dust and dirt. The aftermarket filter will have an arrow pointing in which direction the flow goes. The stock filter will have an arrow pointing which direction is up. With the 4Runner, the direction of flow is from top to bottom. So you'll want to have that arrow pointing downwards, then just slide the filter in with the foam part facing outwards. At this point, you can put the white door back in, just push it directly in and those tabs will click into place. After that, pop in the black door, slide in the little clip at the bottom and push the 2 clips in at the top. This is the before. So as you can see, the flow, it's not bad, but it's not great. Afterwards, it's flowing much better. And this is definitely a noticeable improvement.
All right guys, so that concludes the install there, the cabin air filter on the 5th gen 4Runner. It took like 2 minutes to do, and it really improved the performance of the climate control system. And for like $17 off of Amazon, that's not so bad. I'll leave a link in the description to where I bought mine if you guys are interested in picking up one for yours. If you guys found this video useful, please like and subscribe. I hope to come out with a lot more videos, and I always appreciate your guys' support. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye now.